Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Biodiversity and Conservation. I am Subhalakshmi Rao from Ambika Prasad Research Foundation, India. And today we are going to talk about some of the environmental days that are celebrated for the conservation of forests, wildlife, plants and some specific animals. And every month we celebrate a day that is dedicated to a particular issue and we just like in the month of January we have National Bird Day, which is celebrated on 5th January to talk about the conservation of birds. As we know, day by day the birds are decreasing in their population due to unavailability of food. So on the particular day we talk about developing some ways or making some strategies to conserve these species, and mainly to every problem a common solution is afforestation. So how much plants we will plant a day, that much longer our life will be. So like that only in February, we have World Wetlands Day that is celebrated on 2nd February, and World Pangolin Day that is celebrated every third Saturday of February to talk about this uh, endangered species and how we can conserve their population. And on the occasion of World Wetlands Day, we talk about the protection of the available wetlands in our country. In March, we have World Wildlife Day on 3rd March, International Day of Action for Rivers on 14th March, World Sparrow Day on 28th March, and World International Day of Forest on 21st March, and World Water Day on 22nd March. In the month of April, we have many other occasions, but I have selected some because those are directly impacting our environment and us. So, like we have World Aquatic Animal Day on 3rd April and World Earth Day on 22nd April. In May, we have World Migratory Bird Day um, for the spring season, and it is celebrated on every second Saturday of May. We have Endangered Species Day, which is celebrated on every third Friday of May. World Bee Day, which is celebrated on 20th May. International Day for Biological Diversity or International Day for Biodiversity, that is celebrated on 22nd May. And World Turtle Day, which is celebrated on 23rd May of every year. In June, we have World Environment Day on 5th June, World Oceans Day on 8th June, World Sea Turtle Day on 16th June, and World Rainforest Day on 22nd June. So, as I have told before, every day has a particular significance. World Environment Day, we talk about how we can protect and conserve our environment through some ways like reducing pollution, plastic pollution, or um, developing techniques to reduce air pollution, plantation of more plants so that we can conserve many birds and animal species, saving rivers. We are facing water scarcity now because the rivers are drying up. So, for all these issues, we have to come up together and take action together so that we can save our earth. In July, we have International Day for the Conservation of the Mangrove Ecosystems, which is celebrated on 26th July every year. Next is World Nature Conservation Day, which is celebrated on 28th July every year. World Tiger Day, which is celebrated on 29th July every year. In August, we have World Elephant Day, which is celebrated on every 10th August of every year. In September, we have World Ozone Day, which is celebrated on 16th September, and World Reverse Day, which is celebrated every last Sunday of the month September every year. In the month of October, we have World Habitat Day, which is celebrated every first Monday of October. World Animal Day, which is celebrated on 4th October. World Migratory Bird Day, which is celebrated on 12th October. National Reptile Awareness Day, which is celebrated on 21st October. And International Day of Climate Action, which is celebrated on 24th October every year. In the month of November, we have World Ecology Day, which is celebrated on 1st November, and World Fisheries Day, which we celebrate on 21st November, giving importance to fisheries and fishing communities and how fishing is important for them as well as to common people as well as to the environment. In December, we have Wildlife Conservation Day, which is celebrated on 4th December every year. So, thank you for listening to me.